Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later, because dark mode is built into the system. Update if needed. Once done, open Settings and go to Display and Brightness, then select Dark to apply system-wide dark appearance immediately. If you prefer hands-off switching, tap Automatic and choose Sunset to Sunrise, or set a custom schedule so your phone flips appearance on its own. This gives consistent system theming and reduces bright white exposure. Next, make dark mode practical for daily use. You can toggle it fast by long-pressing Brightness in Control Center and tapping the appearance icon. That's useful for quick changes. For apps that don't follow system dark mode, enable Smart Invert in Settings Accessibility Display and Text Size to reverse colors without breaking media. Also, change wallpapers to dark images and tweak contrast and color filters under Accessibility, so text and UI elements. Finally, finalize your setup and handle common hiccups. After switching modes, force close or restart apps that refuse to adopt dark mode because many require a relaunch to refresh their UI. Make sure apps are updated and check any in-app theme options because some apps override system appearance. If dark mode still misbehaves, reboot the iPhone, install the latest iOS updates, or reset display and brightness settings. Doing so resolves most conflicts and restores expected dark theming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.